Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to make YouTube thumbnail with VistaCreate. Creating a YouTube thumbnail with VistaCreate is a quick and effective way to grab viewers' attention. Here's a step-by-step guide to design YouTube thumbnail that stand out. Open up your preferred web browser and go to VistaCreate website. From the dashboard, find YouTube thumbnail. Click on it to start designing. You can browse the template from here. VistaCreate offers many pre-designed YouTube thumbnail templates. You can search for themes based on your video content. If you want complete creative control, choose the blank canvas option. Once your template or blank canvas is open, you can begin customizing it. You can add or edit text. Thumbnails typically have bold, attention-grabbing text. Click on the text box on the template to edit the wording. If you are starting from scratch, click on the text button here and choose the font that is easy to read and visually appealing. Experiment with different font size and color to make the text stand out against the background. You can also add your own image. Go to the Backgrounds tab and you can see various of predefined images here, or you can also upload it from the Uploads tab here from your local device. Simply import it to your canvas and right-click on it and click on Set as Background. You can add graphics and icon. Enhance your design by adding icons, shapes or illustration from the Object tab. Arrows, circles or stickers can help highlight important part of the thumbnail. Keep the design simple to avoid overwhelming viewers with too many elements. You can also use bold color. Bright contrasting color help your thumbnail stand out in YouTube Grid. Change the background or text color using background or text option to make sure it catches the eye. Ensure all the elements in your design are properly aligned. Make sure the thumbnail is not overcrowded. Viewers should be able to get the message in the single glance. Once you have added all your elements, make sure the text is readable and the main image stand out even when the thumbnail is small. After finalizing your design, click on Export button in the top navigation bar. Now click on Download As and select PNG or JPEG format from here. After that, click on Download to download the image on your device. Using VistaCreate tools, you can create YouTube thumbnails that are both professional and engaging, helping to boost your video's click-through rate. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.